In this video, we will learn about the various system commands that provide system information. The df command is used to view your file system usage and the mount point of the file system. The various options available for this command are A, H, I, and sync. A displays the information about the file systems. H displays the same file system information in human-readable format. And I lists the information of inode. df command. In this demo, we will learn about system information commands. The first command we are going to look at is about the file system usage, and it is called the df command. df stands for display file system. When you type df and press enter, you get this information. These are your file systems. This is the size in 1K blocks. The third column is space occupied. And this is the available space. This column displays how much of the available data is being used in terms of percentage. And this column represents the mount point of these file systems. You can use the command df-h for a clearer display of the same data. You can see that for the root mount point the file system is dev SDA 6. These are other temporary file systems that have occupied space on your physical RAM. Use the clear command to clear the screen. The command df-ih can be used to determine the number of inodes for a file system. 1 inode corresponds to one file, and this number indicates that you can create these many files in this file system. If you don't have space, then you won't be able to create a file. This is the information about inodes in this file system. Inodes that can be created, inodes used, available inodes, percentage used, and the mount point. Therefore, by using df you can list the available file systems along with their mount points and other information. Mount points are equivalent to drive names in Windows. In the Unix world, you don't have drive names. Instead, there are mount points. Therefore, until you mount a file system, you cannot access it in Linux. Whenever you want to mount a file system, you need to create a simple directory called mount point directory where you can mount your devices. For example, you have /dev/sda1. This is a partition which is created in your hard disk. Practically, every partition is one file system. So, /dev/sda1 is mounted on /boot mount point, which is actually a directory. If you want to add data into this /dev/sda1 device, then you have to go into this boot and then write the data into this file system. This information, among others, can be viewed with the use of the df command.